Unisub and Chromaluxe represent the absolute best in premium sublimation blank brands. Made by the same company, Unisub is the brand of gift and promotional items, while Chromaluxe is the brand of gallery quality photo panels. All of their products are proudly manufactured, inspected, and packaged 100% in the USA at their headquarters and factory in Louisville, Kentucky. It's evident in their process that people and their products are held in the highest regard. Starting with US-sourced raw materials, every single master sheet is coated with their proprietary technology. And it's this exclusive coating process that allows their substrates to produce beautiful, vibrant, high-resolution images when sublimated. This coating is also what gives Unisub and Chromaluxe products their incredible durability and image longevity. Unisub and Chromaluxe give very special care to quality assurance. Trained technicians perform white glove inspections on every single piece at various steps in the manufacturing process. A final inspection is done at packaging to ensure only the best of the best products actually leave their doors. All of these intentional and unique steps have been carefully orchestrated to give you confidence that when you use a Unisub or Chromaluxe sublimation blank, you're going to get a beautiful, durable, and consistent result every single time. And best of all, it won't cost you an arm and a leg to incorporate these premium substrates into your production. Both Unisub and Chromaluxe sublimation blanks are priced competitively with makers in mind to provide healthy margins so you could thrive in your business. For years, Unisub and Chromaluxe have been the top choice for national print-on-demand services, art galleries, museums, and creators of all types and backgrounds. But don't take my word for it. Discover premium quality for yourself and order your Unisub and Chromaluxe sublimation blanks today at eatpressnation.com.